Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about freelance video editor. So we are here at the blog.fiverr.com. So in this website we will read an article about freelance video editor, then we'll understand how to earn from it. So let's go and read out. How to become a freelance video editor with Fiverr. If you've spent any reasonable amount of time on social media over the past few years, you've probably recognized that video has gotten huge. Not only are there more homemade videos being uploaded to YouTube and other platforms thanks to its smartphone technology, but business are also recognizing the power of video as a marketing tool. In fact, video is so popular that 80% of all consumer internet traffic is expected to be video traffic within the coming year. The explosion of video has created a need for skilled videographers, production assistants, and video editors. Few companies keep these types of skills in-house, relying instead on outside firms to produce marketing and promotional videos and even films and TV shows. However, more and more companies are choosing to rely on freelance video editors, which has led to a boom of freelance video editing jobs. Although almost half 47% of video editors work in the film industry, about 25% of film and video editors are self-employed. If you have the skills, aptitude, and tools, you can find freelance video editing jobs online. You may just want to do this as a side job, but now that there are freelancing platforms like Fiverr, you can even do freelance video editing jobs from home full time. Here's what you need to know about how to become a freelance video editor. Key takeaways. Video editing skills are in high demand. A majority of internet traffic will be to videos in the future. With the right skills and tools, you can become a freelance video editor and work from home. Starting a freelance video editing career. Before you jump into a freelance video editing career, it's important to choose a direction. For starters, you may want to select a specific genre to work in, such as music videos, documentaries, or video advertisements. This will help you specialize, build a portfolio, and get higher paying gigs. You can break into other niches later, but it's important to establish a body of work before you start experimenting. If you are starting from scratch, you may need to obtain an education or acquire the tools necessary to do the job. This can get expensive, so make sure you understand the advantages and pitfalls of this line of work before committing. Advantages and pitfalls. One of the key advantages of working as a freelance video editor as opposed to working as an in-house editor at a production company is the ability to pick your own jobs. You are allowed to say no to assignments so you can establish your own niche rather than having to work on everything your boss tells you to. You'll even be able to make your own hours. You can also get paid more per assignment as a freelancer. Technically, you are running your own business, so you'll be paid like a business. Many full-time freelance video editors can make more money are doing freelance work than they ever did as a full-time employee. But there are few challenges to watch out for in this line of work. As a freelancer, you'll need to find enough work to keep a steady flow of income coming in. You are also responsible for all your own tools and equipment. If something breaks or needs to be replaced, you can't rely on an employer to pay for it. Skills, equipment, and software. Although it's possible to start a video editing career without a formal education, most companies will expect a video editor to have a bachelor's degree in film studies or production as a minimum, or at least some type of certification that signifies you know the basics. Sorry. This is especially true in the film and TV industry. It can also help to establish a portfolio to gain some credibility. This isn't something you can do overnight, Production managers will typically look for the two things on your resume: whether or not you have the skills to work on the video they are making, and whether or not you've worked for respectable companies in the past. As far as tools, equipment, and software go, you may need some or all of the following: high performing computer, external hard drive, headphones, editing pen and tablet, high resolution video camera, video editing software. So that was the article about video editing. Now let's move forward to the official website of Fiverr, and then we'll see or we'll check out some of the gigs related to video editing. So we will search here basically video editing in the Fiverr platform. So as you can see, there are a lot of gigs that are selling their service of video editing, and it's a bit expensive too. So you can start from a basic level, like you can charge $5-6 for per order. Like the first gig is showing against charging 4,531 PKR. Mostly it's like $8 to $9. So as you can see, the title of this gig, I will do professional video editing and motion graphics. So you have to learn video editing through any software like professional software. I would recommend you to learn Adobe After Effects or Adobe Premiere Pro. So two softwares will make you very professional in video editing, and then you can charge a great amount of money, uh, or you will earn handsome amount of revenue through freelancing only. So that was the video about freelance video editor. So I hope you've got information about uh, something related to video editing. So let's end this today's video here. We will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.